Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I am going to be going back and revisiting everything I got in my City Beauty haul. It's been about a month and a half now, so I've had plenty of time to use the products. I really should have done this probably a couple of weeks ago, but I just had so many things to film and get caught up, so here I'm finally going to do it. So I'm going to go through these items one at a time, let you know my thoughts on them, what I liked, what I didn't like about each one of them. And if you guys have used any of these products that I'm talking about, I'd love to hear your thoughts on them as well. Kind of what you liked or didn't like about them. So that way we can get a little conversation going. So let's start with the one that I really had high hopes for. And that is their City Lips. I see this advertised all over the place. I see it on YouTube, I see it on Facebook, I see it on Instagram. They're just all over the place. So when they talk about this being a plumping lip gloss, lipstick, I was pretty upset about the fact it didn't really work for me. In fact, not it didn't really work, it didn't work at all. I liked the feel of it, it just didn't do anything to my lips. I didn't get ever any type of a tingly feel. I feel after 6 weeks of wearing this, and I'm using it 2 to 3 times a day. I go to bed with it on even, so I sleep in it all night long. And I haven't noticed any change in my lip whatsoever. Not even those little fine wrinkles that go around it, they're still there. So what they say about this is a plumping lip gloss that gives you both an immediate and long-term solution for your lips. With innovative ingredients that help restore healthy lips, it delivers deep hydration for instant plumping, long-lasting comfort, and smooth out lip lines and wrinkles. It was comfortable, I can tell you that much, but I have a lot less expensive ones that you can get because this one's $35. You heard me right, $35. Sometimes they have a buy one, get one free. I have the clear and then these other 3 shades that they sent me. Now, as you can see, and hopefully you can see that in the tube, because it's clear down to here, I have used a lot of this up and I'm almost out. So I think for the money, it should have been doing something. So these were a pass for me. And then they also sent me their City Lips Matte. I got 2 shades in that, which are these 2 right here. This is supposed to be a non-drying matte lipstick with an innovative formula that supports lip health. 10 deeply rich pigmented colors last all day without bleeding into fine lines or wrinkles. No, I can't say that this lasted all day. There's some pretty colors, and yes, they are matte. I'm swatching them right now for you. So those are the 2 shades I have. I can't read them, they're so small right now. Yes, they do dry down. You can see that top one is actually drying fairly fast. But they don't last all day. I can't say that they're any different again than any other type of lipstick that I have. And again, at $35 a pop, I don't want to spend that kind of money. I guess maybe I'm cheap, but I think I have other lipsticks and lip glosses that are a lot better. Another one I was really excited to try out was their City Lash. Now, as many of you may know, I have been a KarenReneBeauty user for a very long time. And when they emailed asking me if I would review their products, this is what they said they were going to send me. So this is really all I was expecting. So I quit using my KarenReneBeauty about 2 weeks prior to receiving this. And when I started using this, I started noticing a lot of lash fallout. So I thought, okay, that's just the fact that I've been putting nothing on my lashes for the last couple of weeks. Well, here we are 6 weeks later, and yeah, I don't really notice any lengthening or anything. My lashes are nowhere near where they were when I was using KarenReneBeauty. So I'm going back to my KarenReneBeauty. In fact, I just got it in the mail today, so I'm going to be starting to use that starting tomorrow. So this one was another one I didn't care for. I do like the applicator. It's got like a little silicone applicator, so it's flexible. It's not the little bristles, so you can get a very detailed line. The one thing I will caution you about, if you get too much product on this and it kind of bleeds into your eye, it stings. It really, really stings. So you have to be careful that you kind of tap some of it off. You don't need very much of the product, just enough to kind of wet that lash line. And you just simply go right along the lash line. With my Care Post, I also took that up into my brows. So I did this as well, and same thing. I don't notice any change in what my brows are doing either. So, okay, so their City Lash is $70. 70. And you know what? It's got 5 stars according to their reviews. Which is funny because every single product they have on here is showing 5 stars. Maybe it's just me. I don't know, because maybe these are working for the people and they're not working for me. So again, if these are working for you, I'd love to hear what's going on, because it doesn't work for me very well. Anyway, the next one we have is their Under Eye Recovery Cream. Now, I had been using, did I bring it in here? No. Paula's Choice. It's their Clinical Ceramide Enriched Firming Eye Cream. Sorry, I had to stop and think about it. And that runs $48 for half an ounce. And this one is $50 also for half an ounce. So it's about the same price for the same thing. When I started using the Paula's Choice, I noticed results in like the first week. I noticed I was getting a real firmness underneath my eyes, and my fine lines under my eyes were just really starting to lessen up. So once again, I quit using that, switched over to this. Again, a little bit, or not again, a little bit goes a long way with this. You just need the tiniest little drop. I take it all underneath my eyes as well as on top. And I didn't notice any other changes. The darkness is still there. My eyes don't actually feel as hydrated when I use this compared to the Paula's Choice. And for $50, I do have something I like better. So unfortunately, this one was passed too. But here's the one I love. I love their Multi-Action Sculpting Cream. I felt, the first time that I used this, I felt like my whole face had just firmed up. I've taken it down my neck, and my neck has never looked, well, it probably did look so good when I was younger, but it's looking so good. All of my fine lines have like started to disappear. So I'm really enjoying this. It comes with a little gold spatula, and it smells so good. It's a nice clean scent, and hopefully you'll be able to see this since it's white, but you can see I've used quite a bit in the jar. You might not be able to see it, but I probably used about half of this already, and this is $67. You get 1.67 fluid ounces in this, and this is probably something I would go ahead and buy myself. So I really like this one. What I do is I just take a little scoop, I go a little bit on the forehead, down here, here, on my neck, and then I just rub it all in, and just everything just feels firm and tightened up. So I really like that. And then the last item they sent me is their Line Smoothing Hydro Mask. So you get 5 of these in the box. It runs $60 for the 5 of them. And I have 2 of them left. And all you need to do is take it out of the package, remove the little covers that it has on each side, put it on your face, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, peel it off, and then just rub any of the remaining product into your skin. Now, if any of you have been around for very long, you know I don't care for sheet masks normally. I feel like I'm kind of getting suffocated by them. So it was a stretch for me to even start to use this. So it didn't feel any different than other masks that I had used. I didn't see any instant results or my fine lines being kind of lessened or anything like that. But I like the way it felt. I don't know if I'd pay $60 for it, because that's basically, what's that work out to be? $10, $12 per mask? So I think that's really expensive. It says their Hydro Mask delivers unsuppressed hydration, leaving your face feeling fresh and rejuvenated like after a spa facial. Its unique biocellulose material pushes a powerful anti-aging serum deep into your skin to help boost elasticity and smooth out the look of fine lines and wrinkles. I've obviously been using this. I've used it 3 times. I think you're supposed to use it like once a week. Actually, they say once or twice a week. I couldn't afford to do it twice a week. So I have used it. I also, while I had it on, I used my little roller thing to really kind of like press that into the skin. And it is what it is. It's just not something that's for me either. So unfortunately, City Beauty has not been a huge hit for me. These were all sent to me at no charge. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just giving you my honest opinion on them. So this just also goes to show you that everything that's sent to me doesn't mean I'm going to instantly like it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and make sure that you hit that subscribe button over here. There's a bell next to it. Make sure you press on that too. And that way you'll get notified when I upload new videos. That's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Oh, by the way, those are dry now. And I will show you, even though it's dry, it'll smudge. So be careful with that. So until next time, you guys, I love you all, and bye-bye.